Good morning, Thunder. My name is Advait.
And I'm Diani.
And we're officially in week 2 of the school year, and things are already starting off strong.
There's a lot happening on campus, and we want to make sure you don't miss a thing.
First up, if you're planning to take the SAT, don't forget that the registration deadline is August 23rd, this Friday.
For those interested in earning college credit, Rio Salado representatives are on campus today to help students with dual enrollment. If you have any questions, check in with your counselor.
The speech and debate team is starting up soon. If you missed the informational meeting and want to join, reach out to the team in the room C279.
Another club that is having its first meeting of the year is Thunder Buddies. The meeting is happening tomorrow at 8:15 a.m. in room B60.
And speaking of important events, Curriculum Night is coming up, a chance for families to meet teachers and get a glimpse into daily student lives. Now, let's take a closer look at what to expect.
Hey DV, it's Lawrence. Today we're going to be learning about Curriculum Night with Mr. Snyder. So who am I here with today?
Mr. Snyder, Assistant Principal of Academics.
And when is Curriculum Night?
Curriculum Night is August 11th from 6:30 till roughly about 8:30. We do have some optional viewings for our Rio Salado information and a senior presentation.
What will teachers be showing at Curriculum Night?
Curriculum Night is basically it's what you would consider the old meet and greet teacher night. So they will have an opportunity to introduce themselves to families and also briefly touch upon what students will be learning in their classes this year.
Why should a student and their parents go to Curriculum Night?
Actually, it's geared more towards the parents, so students don't necessarily have to come. It's an awesome night for parents just to meet the teachers and again walk your schedule and then just gather more information about their classes.
That's all DV. Make sure to come out to Curriculum Night on August 11th. Back to you, anchors.
Thanks, Lauren. That was a great look at the Curriculum Night and all the exciting opportunities for our Thunder families.
Speaking of excitement on campus, the big Tukey Bowl football game is just around the corner, and it's not just about the game.
That's right, the Tukey Bowl food drive is gearing up to help support our community, so let's check in with Lauren, Addie, Maddie to see how you can get involved.
It's Madison and it's competition season. That's right, the Tukey Bowl is right around the corner on September 5th and the theme is Make Me Out. Not only are we competing against Mountain Point, but we're competing as a school. Do you want to win? Because I want to win it. Until September 5th, you can donate canned items like instant potatoes, rice, peanut butter, granola, and protein bars. Make sure to drop those items off in the activities office, the front office, parent drop-off bins, or at home football games. Make sure to show your school support. Back to you, anchors.
Make sure to donate to the food drive and help us beat Mountain Point this year.
Hey, speaking of football, are you excited for this upcoming season?
Of course. I'm especially excited to see the marching band and color guards at halftime.
Yeah, I know. They've been working so hard during the off-season. Let's get an inside view on how the marching band has been preparing for this upcoming season.
Hi Thunder, my name's Addie and today we're going to be taking a look on how our amazing marching band prepares for their season.
Hey DV, I'm Hadley Moore. I'm DV's drum major this year. That means that I'm on the podium and I conduct the show for our halftime and the competitions.
Hey DV, I'm CJ. I play alto sax. I'm woodwind captain and I'm a soloist, so that means you'll hear me mic'd up for a chunk of the show this year.
Hi DV, I'm Shaden. I'm the low reed section leader.
What do you guys do to prepare for the halftime shows during football season?
Yeah, so in the summer we had band camp and that was 3 days here and then 4 days up north, and then every week we have 3 practices in the afternoon for 3 hours. We're outside drinking a lot of water, just staying prepared.
How is competition season different from football season?
Well, for football season, it's a lot less high stakes. It's almost like a practice for our competition season, but during comp seasons, we show up, we have Saturday morning rehearsals, and then we are out from 2 to 10 p.m. for our comps. Definitely very competitive. We get our placements and whatnot, and that's how we've gotten 9-time state champions. So,
What can students look forward to seeing in the show this year?
We have a really cool theme this year. You guys will see it. I'm sure you'll love it. And we also are showcasing some of our amazing soloists this year. So make sure to hear that this season. And yeah.
Come see us at halftime and our competitions throughout the season.
Go Thunder!
Wow, I had no idea how much preparation went into the marching band season.
The fall sports season officially starts on Monday. If you are interested in trying out for fall sports, make sure you have completed the registration My Athlete and drink a lot of water.
Did you know we have a new sport this season?
Really? What is it?
Boys beach volleyball. Let's hear from some volleyball boys and let's find out more.
Hi, my name is Jake Kochansky and I'm a senior.
I'm Brendan Ray, I'm also a senior, and we are proud to announce the DV Boys Beach Volleyball team.
All right, so there's gonna be 5 competitive teams, and there's gonna be 2 people per team.
We got 11 to 20 open spots, so make sure to pop out to tryouts on the 11th, 12th, and 13th, because one of those spots could be yours.
So the coach for this year's program is Coach Pollack. And if you have any more questions about the program, either email her or Coach Chapler.
Make sure to pop out to tryouts again. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna have an amazing season. What? Yeah!
What up, DV? My name's Gio Valentini, and let us show you what DV Beach Volleyball's got to offer. Let's get into some gameplay.
Yeah!
Over. Oh. Hey, that's a spot. It's a deep free ball. That's a deep free ball.
This is easy. These guys are trash.
Hi.
Hey, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Watch.
I'll block.
Hey, get up. Yeah. Oh, back. Hit that. Bang.
Tip.
Hey, that's a spot. Easy.
Go, Eli. Oh. Go. Good swing.
Hey, good swing. Hey, go, Pierce.
Off. I'm pulling, free ball.
Oh, shoot.
Mine.
Hey, my bad. Yeah. Hey, watch swing.
Nice.
Hey, blow, yeah. Hey, that's you.
Off, pulling.
Hey.
Over.
Go. Hey, good spot.
Damn.
Hey, yeah, get back.
What the? Pierce.
Hey.
So lit. I'm Amari Miller, and thank you for watching our segment on DV Boys Beach Volleyball.
Hey, we'll see you at tryouts on the 11th. Let's go.
Thanks, Bryce. Those beach volleyball players sure know what they're doing. I bet it's very exciting to watch them.
Yeah. Have you ever played beach volleyball before? Like on vacation?
I have. I went on vacation recently and we played a lot. My lock screen right now is the exact beach.
I wonder what other students have as their lock screens.
Well, let's go to Trevor to find out more.
Whoa, where am I? I think I'm in a phone lock screen. Oh well. Hey DV, it's Trevor and I'm here with DVTV and we're gonna be going around campus today looking at some of your phone screens. Who am I here with?
Anthony Fulton. Jaden Joseph.
And what's your guys' phone lock screen?
My girlfriend.
Alright.
Mine's just some water.
Just water?
Just water.
Alright, thank you guys. Who am I here with?
Ryan Joyner.
And what's your phone lock screen?
It's a picture of Messi.
And what's your inspiration behind this photo?
Messi's just the GOAT.
Messi is the GOAT. Thank you. Who am I here with?
Anjali.
Zaylee.
What are your guys' phone lock screens?
A picture when I went to Italy.
A flower.
Alright, thank you. Who am I here with?
Pierce.
And what's on your phone wallpaper?
I'm pretty sure it's New York City.
Just New York City?
Yep, just New York.
Alright, thank you. Who am I here with?
Mr. Walther.
What is on your phone wallpaper?
My phone wallpaper on the lock screen is a picture of me and my wife at our wedding.
Awesome, thank you. Who am I here with?
Dylan Dominguez.
What's on your phone lock screen?
It's a child who has a man's face. It's pretty good. I kind of like it. I found the photo on the ground one day.
Awesome, thank you. Who am I here with?
Aaron Chambers.
And what's your phone lock screen?
It's a picture of my friend Dylan.
Just a picture of your friend?
Yeah, pretty much.
What was your inspiration for this photo?
I saw him and I thought I'd put it as him.
All right, thank you.
Man, I need one more person for this DVTV segment, but I don't know who to get. Wait, sir. Do you want to be in a DVTV segment?
No.
All right. Wait, you. Yeah, come here. Do you want to be in a DVTV segment?
Sure.
Who am I here with?
Luke Chavez.
What's your phone wallpaper?
It's this picture of Trevor Williams with some mustard on him while he's sleeping.
Yo, how do you have this? No, who are you?
Wow, those lock screens were pretty awesome, Sauce.
Yeah, those were great. Well, that's all we have for you this week. Make sure to follow us on all our social media, DVHS Thunder Media.
Bye.